Average American is projected to spend approximately 12 years of their lifetime staring at their phone screens. Just imagine what you could accomplish in 12 years. Build a successful business or your dream physique, read more than 100 books. In this video, I'm gonna show you 99 meaningful alternatives that will help you take back the lost time and actually make it count. Each one was chosen carefully, so watch the video till the end, so you'll have enough to choose from. Hello there, my name is Leo, and as someone who has spent years working on my own productivity, balancing studies, personal projects, and striving for continuous self-improvement, I can assure you that by just replacing a small part of that screen time, you can turn your ambitions into tangible results. No need to go all in. Small incremental steps, remember? Well, let's get started. Number 1. Step outside for a brisk walk to boost your mood and energy. 2. Spend 10 peaceful minutes meditating. It effectively calms stress and sharpens your focus. Read one insightful chapter from an inspiring book. It sparks innovative ideas. 4. Write a quick journal entry detailing daily wins to reinforce progress and gratitude. Tackle a brief coding challenge. It sharpens skills and sparks creative problem solving. Cook a healthy meal with fresh ingredients to energize and nourish your body. Or do a workout session. It builds strength and enhances discipline. You can also listen to an inspiring podcast episode to fuel motivation and broaden your learning. Or plan your day using a bullet journaling. It clarifies priorities and boosts productivity. Number 10. List 3 top priorities for the day. It creates focus and drives achievement. Practice deep breathing exercises to relax and recharge. Proven technique that lowers stress and enhances focus. Organize your study desk meticulously. A tidy workspace cultivates concentration and fuels productivity. Dive into an online tutorial or course. Expanding your skills today opens doors for future opportunities. Or experiment with a creative hobby like painting or photography. Unleashing your creativity can ease stress and spark inspiration. Or take a power nap. Brief rest rejuvenates your energy and clears your mind for better performance. You can also solve a challenging puzzle or brain teaser. Engaging your brain in this way sharpens critical thinking and boosts problem-solving abilities. Engage in a rejuvenating yoga session. Practicing yoga improves flexibility, balances emotions, and soothes your inner self. Listen to an enlightening audiobook on self-improvement. This resource deepens your knowledge and ignites transformative insights. Brainstorm new ideas for future projects. Generating fresh concepts fuels innovation and lays the groundwork for success. 20. Reach out to a friend. Connecting with others nurtures growth and broadens your horizons. 21. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This unlocks exclusive productivity tips, actionable strategies, and inspiring content to help you build a focused yet balanced life. It's important. Take a scenic bike ride around your neighborhood. Doing so revitalizes your perspective while energizing both body and mind. Or experiment with learning a new instrument or a song. Diving into music sharpens cognitive skills and uplifts your spirit. Enjoy a board game night with friends. I love it so much. This strengthens bonds, of course, and stimulates kind of strategic thinking. Organize your digital files or photos. Decluttering your virtual space minimizes stress and boosts overall efficiency. Or explore a nearby nature trail or a park. Connecting with nature refreshes creativity and clears mental clutter. Unwind with a gentle stretching routine. Relaxing your muscles renews energy and alleviates tension. Or prepare a nutritious smoothie or snack. Fueling your body with wholesome ingredients supports sustained productivity. You can also try initiating a creative do-it-yourself project at home. Hands-on crafting ignites innovation and offers a gratifying sense of achievement. Spend time journaling about your core values. Deep reflection fosters clarity and builds inner resilience. If you're a fan of plants, engage in indoor gardening or caring for houseplants. It nurtures mindfulness and connects you with nature, even at your home. Record a brief log or voice note. Capturing your thoughts boosts creativity and enhances communication. Or declutter a corner of your home. Tidying up refreshes your mind and improves focus. Savor a cup of tea or coffee mindfully. Pausing to appreciate each sip grounds your thoughts and elevates awareness. Or experiment with a new cooking technique or recipe. Expanding your culinary skills fosters independence and joy. Write a short poem, creative piece. Expressive writing nurtures emotional release and artistic growth. Or review your finances for a few minutes. Tracking expenses cultivates smart money management and planning. Read a reputable news article or insightful opinion. Staying informed sharpens your worldview and critical thinking. Or sketch an idea or draft a plan for a future project. Early creative brainstorming sets the stage for success. Listen to a new music genre, exploring diverse sounds broadens your cultural horizons and lifts your mood. Or try a new art medium like sculpting or clay modeling. Creative exploration expands your horizons and relaxes your mind. Write a text of appreciation to someone, expressing gratitude deepens connections and elevates mood. Host a virtual study group or brainstorming session. Such collaboration fosters accountability and sparks innovative ideas. Take a short mindfulness walk in silence. A quiet break resets focus and refreshes energy. Or volunteer for a brief community service activity. Giving back enriches your spirit and builds lasting connections. You can also plan a mini adventure in your city by visiting a museum or historical site. Local exploration enriches your cultural perspective and curiosity. Turn off notifications to regain control and presence. Enjoy a mini home spa session for self-care. This rejuvenates your spirit and soothes your mind. Engage in a reflective walk while listening to instrumental music. Blending motion and melody sparks creative thought and serenity. Write down recent achievements and future goals. Tracking progress motivates and clarifies your path forward. Alright guys, we've now reached the halfway mark of our journey, and I hope you're already feeling inspired by these actionable tips. There's still so much more coming your way, so stick with me, because every bit of advice is deliberately chosen. 51. Create a vision board with inspiring images and words. If you're alone, dance to your favorite upbeat tracks to lift your mood a bit without worrying about someone judging. Or create a reading list with new books and set clear reading goals. It broadens your horizons and cultivates discipline. Organize your mail inbox and digital subscriptions. Streamlining digital clutter saves time, sometimes money as well, and reduces stress. Or perform a 10-minute digital declutter on your phone's home screen. It minimizes distractions and sharpens focus. Attend a local event or workshop. Engaging with your community enriches perspectives and inspires growth. Create a gratitude list for 5 minutes. This simple act fosters positivity and builds resilience. Use a timer for focused work sessions with breaks. This method boosts efficiency and prevents burnout. Or visualize your goals for a few minutes. Mental imagery reinforces motivation and clarity. Reflect on your personal mission and update your goals. Aligning your vision drives purposeful action. You can also write a mini review of a book, movie, or event. It refines critical thinking and communication skills. Participate in a creative online challenge, like a daily photo contest. It fuels artistic expression and friendly competition. Engage in a brainstorming session with a friend over coffee. Collaboration sparks fresh, innovative ideas. Or learn a few phrases in a new language. Listen to an unfamiliar music genre. Discovering new sounds broadens your musical taste and refreshes your mind. 66. Experiment with digital art using free software. This creative outlet hones your skills and nurtures your imagination. Experience an online museum tour. Digital exhibits enrich cultural insight and spark innovative ideas. Or explore your local history through documentaries or articles. It connects you to your community and enriches your perspective. Challenge yourself with 30-minute creative sprint. This focus burst energizes your productivity and innovation. Watch an instructional video on a subject outside your comfort zone. Learning something new ignites curiosity and growth. Try a short session of Tai Chi. Its deliberate, flowing moves calm the mind and promote balance. Plan a spontaneous day trip to a nearby town or nature reserve. It breaks routine and ignites adventure. Join a free virtual seminar or webinar. It offers unexpected insights and broadens your network. Or test a new productivity app. It streamlines tasks and boosts your workflow efficiency. Read a biography of a successful individual. It motivates and delivers practical life strategies. Practice origami, folding techniques. It refines dexterity and offers a creative, meditative challenge. Dedicate time to a forgotten hobby like modern building. It reignites passion and refines craftsmanship. Practice calligraphy for a few minutes. This artistic exercise refines focus and cultivates creativity. Brainstorm a fun bucket list of adventures. It energizes your spirit and sparks ambition. Read a fascinating science article or research paper. It challenges your intellect and deepens understanding. Cook an international dish from a new cuisine. It expands cultural appreciation. Enhance your coding skills by exploring a modern programming framework, sharpening your edge, fuels innovation. Conduct a simple home science experiment. It sparks curiosity and offers hands-on learning in everyday physics. Or take a leisurely stroll to a local cafe and engage in people watching. Soaking in everyday life inspires fresh ideas. Join a local book club or online reading group. Discussing literature deepens insight and builds community. Explore creative coding by building an interactive digital art project. Merging art with tech ignites innovative expression. Participate in a guided art therapy session online. Creative expression through art nurtures emotional well-being. Organize a mini picnic outdoors with close friends or family. Sharing a meal in nature rejuvenates bonds and lifts spirits. Or establish a calming bedtime routine with meditation and quiet reflection. It promotes restorative sleep and kind of mental reset. Experiment with basic woodworking. Crafting with your hands hones practical skills and boosts creative problem solving. Set a daily step challenge. Tracking your movement builds discipline and improves fitness. Experiment with a new dance routine from online tutorials. It can elevate energy and coordination. Rearrange your furniture to create a fresh space. Small change revitalize creativity and perspective. Respond to a creative writing prompt. Spontaneous storytelling enhances communication and sparks imagination. Tune into a live radio podcast for real-time insights. It offers spontaneity and broadens your view. Learn a broad game strategy through online tutorials. Mastering new tactics sharpens strategic thinking, or try a mindfulness app to log daily habits. Technology can effectively guide personal growth. Create an art collage from magazine cutouts. Assembling visuals nurtures creativity and self-expression. And last one, practice speed reading with a challenging article. Boosting your pace refines focus and efficiency. Thank you for sticking with me through all 99 ideas. Remember, you don't have to try every single one. Pick the ones that resonate with you. You have a lot to choose from and experiment at your own pace. If you found these strategies helpful, continue learning by watching my last video on why dopamine detox is a scam. I truly hope this one was helpful and definitely have a good day.